Hi there, I'm Lauren from Go for Growth, and today I'm going to be demonstrating how to register on the NHS procurement portal hosted by Atamis. We're starting on the home page today, and the first thing we're going to do is select Register here. Selecting that will bring us to the user agreement. Before starting the registration itself, you will need to read through the user agreement before confirming that you do agree. To confirm that you do agree with the user agreement and to continue, you'll select the green Agree button at the bottom of the screen. As you can see, this has redirected me to the registration form itself. Now, to save a little time, I do have a second tab open with my answers pre-populated. So I've just skipped over onto the registration form that I had pre-populated my answers in. As you can see, my form is now complete. So for this section of the registration, you will need your company name to hand, a company email address, your company address and postcode, the country which your company is registered to, your company's website, the company registration number, a contact telephone number, your company's DUNS number, and your VAT registration number if you do have one of these. Now you will see the yellow question mark options to the left hand side of each box. These are here for if you are unsure of the requirements for any of the sections. Hover over the yellow question mark and you will be given a description of what information you are needing to supply. Once you are happy with the information provided in the fields, you are then able to look at submitting your registration. Before you can submit your registration, for security purposes, you will need to enter characters shown in the image here in this empty box. Once you've done so, you can then select Submit, which will process your registration. Upon selecting Submit, if there are no issues with the information provided, you will be redirected to the page now shown on my screen. Here you are advised that your registration has been successful. You should have at this point also have received an email. The email will contain a link for you to create a password for your account, and from creating the password you'll then be able to access the system. If for any reason you can't see the email in your inbox, do check your junk or spam email folders. And if you are unable to locate the email, you can contact Atamis on support-health@atamis.co.uk. Here is an example of the email that you should receive from Atamis to create your password. You'll also see that your username is also entailed in the email. Select the blue link now to create your password. Selecting the blue link should bring you to the page now shown on my screen. This is where you'll create your password. And you do need to ensure that your password is at least 8 characters long, includes at least one letter and at least one number. Once you are happy with the password of choice, and you can see that you have matched the password requirements, you'll then select Change Password. Upon selecting Change Password, you'll be redirected to your account homepage. This means that your registration has been successful and you can now navigate the site. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this video has been helpful. If there are any further questions, please do get in contact.